In today's video, I want to introduce the best buy-sell signal indicator in TradingView, and then I will teach you a trading strategy based on this indicator that generates the most accurate trading signals ever. Just make sure you watch this video until the end so you will learn this amazing strategy that can make you a huge profit. Alright, to add the buy-sell indicator to our chart, here we click on indicators and we search Super Tricks. This one, which is written by someone named Rafael Zioni. Alright, this is the indicator, and as you can see, it has created some buy-sell signals on the chart. This indicator is built based on super trend and RSI in a special combination with these default settings. We continue this video without changing any settings here. Alright, the generated signals are actually based on color changing of this line. When it changes from green to red, it's a sell signal, and when it changes from red to green, it's actually a buy signal. Please pay attention that when you see the buying label or selling label appears on the chart, you must wait until the candle is closed, because when the candle is still open, you may see the label coming and going. But when the candle is closed and the label is still on the chart, it will be fixed at that point. So the signal is taken only when the candle is closed. And in practice, you actually enter at the opening price of next candle. As you can see, we have some good signals and also bad signals. We need to filter them so that we can increase our win rate as much as possible and make more profitable trades. The strategy that I'm going to teach you is a 5-minute scalping strategy. So here we set the chart time frame on 5 minutes. In this strategy, we have another two indicators. The first one is MACD, this one, moving average convergence divergence, and we must change its settings. Here for the fast length we set it at 20, and for the slow length at 120. And here for time frame we set it at 15 minutes. In this strategy we only need the histogram. So here in the style tab we uncheck MACD line and signal line, and for better visuals here we set the appearance to area. Alright, the next indicator that we should add is RSI, this one, relative strength index, and for this indicator also we must change its settings. Here in the inputs tab, for RSI length we set it at 13, and for time frame we set it at 15 minutes. Alright, everything is already set on the chart, and let's see how we trade based on this 5-minute scalping strategy. It's very easy and you just need to be focused on your trade entry, setting stop loss and take profit orders. When we have a buy signal, MACD histogram must be green and RSI above 50. And when we have a sell signal, MACD histogram must be red and RSI below 50. For example, here for this buy signal, you can see that the MACD histogram is red and RSI is also below 50. So this buy signal is not confirmed and we don't enter a long position here. Moving forward on the chart, here for this sell signal, MACD histogram is red and RSI is below 50. So the selling signal is confirmed and we can enter a short position here as the new candle is opened. The stop loss for this trade is placed above the previous swing high. And for the profit, we set take profit order in advance at the level that makes risk to reward ratio equals 2. Moving on the chart, here we got a buy signal and it's confirmed by MACD histogram and RSI, so we can enter a long position here as the new candle is opened. Because the previous swing low is a little far from our trade entry, we can set it higher. For example, here below this short pause would be a good place for our stop loss, because this is a scalping strategy and the stop loss is supposed to be tighter in compared to other types of trading strategies. And the profit of this trade has risk to reward ratio of 2. Moving forward on the chart, to see if there is any other opportunity, as here we got a sell signal and it's a confirmed signal, and in practice we would enter a short position here as the new candle is opened. But as you can see, this trade would end up with loss, and you must expect losing trades. Like any other trading strategy, this strategy also generates false signals, and with proper setting of stop loss based on your risk management strategy, you can effectively manage the risk without having your trading account severely affected by these false signals. At the end of this video, I'll talk more about risk management. Moving forward on the chart, here we got a buy signal and it's a confirmed buy signal, as you can see. So we can enter a long position here as the new candle is opened. The stop loss for this trade is placed below the previous swing low and the profit at risk to reward ratio of 2. Please pay attention that if you're an experienced price action analyst, you can take your profit when you see signs of reversal, or you can move your stop loss gradually below each pullback and get the most out of your position. For example, for this trade, you can see that the price went all the way up here to this point, which provided a very profitable trade, as you can see. All right, moving on the chart, here we got a sell signal and it's a confirmed signal, as you can see. So we can enter a short position here as the new candle is opened. The stop loss for this trade is placed above the previous swing high, and this trade is also a successful trade. As you can see, the price went all the way down here, providing a good trade with acceptable profit as we would expect from this trade. As you can see, here we have a buy signal, which is not a confirmed signal, as you can see. And then here we have a sell signal, which is a confirmed signal. So we can enter another short position here as the new candle is opened. The stop loss above the previous swing high. And for this trade, you can also see that it was a successful trade, providing the profit that we expected from our trade. This trading strategy is very powerful and accurate, but as I said, it doesn't generate 100% guaranteed signals, and losing trades are part of the game. So you need to manage your risk properly in cases that the market goes against your position. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's a perfect choice for scalping strategies. I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description of this video, and I highly recommend you to watch it, because without a proper risk management strategy, you cannot successfully and profitably run the strategy that I explained in this video. Not only for this strategy, but for any other trading strategies that you want to use, it's really important to manage your risk properly. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.